Did you know that your skin is the largest organ in your body and it'll absorb whatever you put on it into your whole system? That's why it is so important to have natural products to put on your face. And today we are going to make a natural under eye cream. Hello, I'm Marcia Vogel with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you another way to use your essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good sitting on your shelf. To make our natural eye cream, we are going to be using coconut oil. And the thing about coconut oil is it has a very low melting point. So at 76 degrees, it starts to turn into a liquid. So if your house is really warm, then it will be in a liquid format. And you may want to keep it in the fridge if you want to have a cream under eye cream. But you can also do a liquid using fractionated coconut oil and put it in a rollerball. Then you have the ease of just rolling it on instead of dabbing with your finger. Total personal preference. Both ways will work really well. So I have 1/8 of a cup of coconut oil, which is about a tablespoon or 3 teaspoons. I'm going to add some vitamin E. I don't have any oil, so I'm going to use capsules. Each capsule has about 5 drops in it. You can just take a pin and poke it and squeeze out the oil. This one I already poked. Then we're going to add our oils. I'm going to take Lavender Essential Oil. This is calming and soothing to the skin. It is anti-aging. It is good for wrinkles, decreasing the appearance of wrinkles. So we're going to do 2 drops of each of these oils. Roman Chamomile is also very soothing to the skin, anti-aging, and decreases appearance of wrinkles. If you get an extra drop in, don't fret, it's not rocket science. Frankincense is the king of oils. This helps to even out skin tones and is good for everything. It's wonderful on your skin, very soothing, and so that's a wonderful one to add. Cypress works to decrease puffiness. It increases circulation. A lot of people battle puffiness, especially in the mornings or when you're really tired. Rose essential oil is wonderful oil. We call it the queen of oils. It helps the body to produce collagen, which decreases as you age. So it'll help to increase skin tone, I guess you would say. So rose is a more expensive oil. So you can also use the Rose Touch, which is already pre-diluted. Just pop the top of the rollerball off and use a toothpick or a dropper or a pipette to take out a couple drops to add to it. But since I have rose, I'm going to add a couple drops of that. And then we're going to mix. This makes the smell is delicious. It is very wonderfully soothing. Then you would just put it in a small container and put it where you do your skincare. And in the morning after you do your skincare, just apply a little bit underneath your eyes. You can put it on at bedtime, which is where it's going to work overnight when your body is regenerating so many cells. And you have this lovely natural under eye cream. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're continually making more videos about different ways to use your essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good sitting on your shelf. Thank you for joining me.